Hey guys, welcome back to Trusted Technology. Today we'll talk about how TikTok shares your data the most, and we don't know where it goes. Let's head into it. Two of your social media apps could be collecting a lot of data on you, and you might not like what one of them is doing with it. That's according to a recent study, published last month by mobile marketing company URL Genius, which found that YouTube and TikTok tracks users' personal data more than any other social media app. The study found that YouTube, which is owned by Google, mostly collects your personal data for its own purposes, like tracking your online search history or even your location to serve you relevant ads. But TikTok, which is owned by Chinese tech giant ByteDance, mostly allows third-party trackers to collect your data, and from there, it's hard to say what happens with it. With third-party trackers, it's essentially impossible to know who's tracking your data or what information they're collecting, from which posts you interact with or how long you spend on each one, to your physical location and any other personal information you share with the app. As the study noted, third-party trackers can track your activity on other sites, even after you leave the app. To conduct the study, URL Genius used the Record App Activity feature from Apple's iOS to count how many different domains track a user's activity across 10 different social media apps: YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Messenger, and WhatsApp over the course of one visit, before you even log into your account. TikTok's privacy policy states that the app can share user data with its Chinese parent company, though it claims to employ security measures to safeguard sensitive user data. In 2020, then-President Donald Trump looked to ban TikTok in the US over concerns about the app's security policies, before current President Joe Biden walked back those threats and ordered a review of potential security threats posed by foreign-owned apps. Neither TikTok nor YouTube immediately responded to CNBC make its request for comment. TikTok is easily one of the most popular social media sharing apps right now, and it claims to have a mission to inspire creativity and bring joy to its users. The TikTok app was founded in China by Zhang Yiming, who isn't too forthcoming with press conferences and interviews. While not a lot is known about the man behind the app, TikTok itself is known to plenty of people worldwide. In fact, statistics show it now has many millions of users uploading content to the platform every month. TikTok net worth in 2022. Because TikTok is a private company, it's difficult to know exactly how much it's worth. However, there are estimates. The one suggests that its value is $50 billion. Some experts put this figure even higher and say TikTok's net worth is $75 billion. Zhang Yiming founded TikTok back in 2012, and while it didn't gain the popularity that it has today for a long time, it's now more successful than potentially any other net worth out there. Yiming personally is worth more than $27 billion, which makes him the 9th wealthiest person in China. TikTok's parent company ByteDance is worth $425 billion. TikTok's primary source of revenue. TikTok lets its users create short videos that they can share with friends and their audience. It comes with a huge number of filters, effects, and features, and it's reminiscent of the app Vine that got big back in 2013. TikTok lets its users film their own videos, which can last for as long as 15 seconds. Users can overlay effects and sound clips to make the videos more interesting. Most of the time, videos include comedy skits, as well as lip syncing. What do you think about TikTok? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.